is a user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, as well as digital assets like NFTs. As one of the fast-growing cryptocurrency exchanges that offer advanced trading options like a margin and future trading, this is definitely the one for advanced traders and also newcomers. So if you're a new trader and interested in this exchange, this video is for you because we're going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create your own account and enable KYC on your account. Besides, just by clicking on the referral link or using our referral code on the description below, you can get 20% off all trading fees. Now, let's get started. So first, just make sure that you have FTX Pro app on your phones. Here is where you can choose your language. Now tap Register. Fill in your email and confirm your email. Now choose your password and just make sure that your password is strong enough. Make sure that it follows these 5 criteria below. Now for the referral code, you can use our referral code or just simply clicking in the referral link in the description below to sign up. You can get 20% off all trading fees if using our referral code. Remember to agree to the FTX terms of service and tap Register. Now you need to fill in your information, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and then tap Confirm. You also need to fill in your home address, which including country, street address, cities, and the postal code. Now you need to fill in your phone number to get the SMS verification code. Tap Send Code to get the code and then fill in the blank. And tap Confirm. You have just successfully signed up and partially verified your account. Here you can see this is the interface of the FTX app. It's quite similar to other exchanges. Now it's time to enable the 2FA on your account. Tapping on the two-factor authenticator. Now tap on SMS to set up the SMS 2FA. Now you need to choose your countries and then enter your phone number to request the SMS code. There will be a code sent to your phone number, so fill it in here and then submit. Now come to the Google Authenticator. This one is a bit more complicated. You can see there is a key code here, but we will come back to it later. Now you need to get these SMS 2FA code by tapping on Send SMS. There will be a code sent to your phone, so fill it in here. Now go to the Google Authenticator app. If you haven't got the app, so just go to the App Store to download it on your phone. Now open the Google Authenticator app. You need to choose Enter a setup key and fill in the account details. I would choose a name for my account and then just paste the key code that I have just mentioned before and tap Add. And this is your Google Authenticator code. Tap on it to copy it. And then paste it back here on the FTX app. And tap Submit. You have just done with the 2FA verifications. Now there is one more step, that is the KYC verifications. Comes to the identity verification sections. You can see I'm now on the level 1 of identity verifications. So in order to unlimitedly withdraw and deposit fiat or cryptocurrency, I need to do the level 2 of verifications. Now tap on continue. One more time you need to fill in your information. Check it again and then continue. And again, fill in your phone number to get the SMS verification code. You will receive a code via your phone numbers, so paste it in here. And then tap continue. Now please select sort of your funds. They are where your funds come from. You need to provide proof of your identities. Just tap on continue and then the app will take you to Stripe. Allow it to accept the camera and then get started. Now you need to select one of these identification type below, which could be your driver license, identity card, or passport. Here I would choose the identity card. Accept it and continue. Now you need to take the front and back photo of your ID card. Make sure that your ID card is visible and in the center of the image. Allow the review image process. Now you need to verify with a selfie. Don't worry, because the app just want to confirm that you are the owner of the ID card. Your verifications now is submitted. Now you can close the tab. You can see that the verification review is now pending. You should wait for a period of time. When it is finished, you won't be notified. You can see here when the process is complete, you will receive an email like this. Come back to the app. Your ID verification now is level 2. And you can start trading deposit and as well withdraw now.
If you are looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto changes, please check out the links down below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Kayak Master, and also turn on the notification bells for more tutorials. We still have a lot of bonuses and promos that we can't wait to share with you guys. See you in the next video.